yes, actually an invaluable tool in our everyday lives. We might not realize it, but let's see how. Maybe you're into coding, you're into tech. You're going to be playing with variables all the time. Rather than writing thousands and hundreds of thousands of lines of code, instead, if you can create a code that has variables, that's going to save you a lot of time, and that uses the principles of algebra. If you're a designer and you're doing some 3D modeling, take Blender for example. It's actually a Python program, so that means that it's using formulas and variables to map your model. Say you're in fashion, you're designing a dress that lights up and it's got LED lights. That's going to be based on the input variables of the LEDs, so you're going to need to use a bit of algebra for that. Say you're doing some DIY, you need a new shelf. You're going to be using algebra to figure out how much wood you actually need. You're going to have to figure out the area. They are using the basics of algebra. Design and engineering essentially uses algebra all the time to make sure that designs don't collapse. Take a bridge, take a chair. If you're designing a chair, you're not going to want it to collapse, so you're going to need to figure out its weight distribution and to calculate load and stress.